Welcome to the 8th part of how to make a game in Unity. In this video I'm going to show you how to export a character with animations into Unity. Here is the character which I want to import into Unity. In the object mode, select the character, the mesh and the rig. Now go to File, Export, FBX. In the settings, select Selected Objects, Armature and Mesh, and apply Transform. If you want for smaller geometries, select Face and click Export FBX. Now open Unity with our project. Close Blender, we don't need it anymore. Reset the terrain position to the center. Drag this FBX file into Unity. And everything is in there. Character animation is working. Check the loop time for the idle animation. Drag the character into the scene. Drag the texture mapping onto the character. Drag the breathing animation onto the character in the hierarchy tab. Now you can see that the character animation is created in the game. Go back to the scene. Rotate the character. Move the camera for a better view angle. That's it, press the play button. Now you know how to export from Blender to Unity the idle animation objects. Thanks for watching, please subscribe or leave a comment.